Hi, this is Patrick from JDM Gems. Today we're going to be working on a 1989 Honda Acty. The service today is going to be a valve cover gasket replacement. The parts needed are going to be a valve cover gasket and the 3 tube seals. The reason why we're changing this is because the spark plugs were covered in oil when I took them out, so the tube seals are to blame. Towels, needle nose pliers, a couple 10 millimeters, some silicone, and brake cleaner. So first step, we're going to take the throttle cable out and remove this 10 mil. Next we're going to remove this air hose. Just like that. Now take out the spark plug wires. Now we'll take out these 4 bolts that hold on the valve cover. Next we're going to remove the actual valve cover, and if you can't get it off with your hands, use a flathead one right here. Just pry it up. So I realize I'm going to have trouble slipping it out, so I'm going to remove this 10 right here. So now we'll be removing the tube seals from the valve cover. Just pry them out. Just like so. And then we'll take the valve cover gasket out. I don't know why I did a little spin there. I think I spun it around. Next, I'll just clean up the valve cover a little bit. Make it look somewhat nicer. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the crevices of where the valve cover is going to sit. I'm just going to clean all around and those little angles right there with the brake cleaner. Next we'll put in the new pieces. So next we're going to take the silicone, and we're just going to put it in those corners. So first back here. And this will help the valve cover seal in these hard turns. There's just 4 of them. So we're just going to be putting it right on these corners. It's going to be where these corners are going to meet on the head. Just make sure it's really well covered. Okay? Alright. So now we're going to be putting this back in. Just making sure nothing is coming out. Next we're just going to hand tighten the 4 valve cover screws. And on this back one, there's a ground wire that goes on, like so. Next we're going to be tightening these down in a crisscross pattern, and not too tight because these do break really easily. Now just the bracket for the spark plug wires. Okay. Next, just this bracket for the throttle cable. Next, we'll be putting the spark plug wires back in. Okay. Next, we'll just put this air hose back in. Next, we'll just clip in the throttle cable. So after you finish, give it about 12 hours to let the silicone dry. This prevents oil leakage. If this video helped, like and subscribe. If you finish, give it about 12 hours to let the silicone dry. Otherwise, I don't know what to say. So after you finish, let's just go with it.